వెల్కమ్ టు జేఎస్ అకాడమీ. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 26. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ కెన్ బి యూజ్డ్ టు సెలెక్ట్ ద ఎంటైర్ డాక్యుమెంట్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ ఏ, ఆప్షన్ బి ఆల్ట్ ప్లస్ F5, ఆప్షన్ సి షిఫ్ట్ ప్లస్ ఏ, ఆప్షన్ డి కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ 5. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ కంట్రోల్ ప్లస్ ఏ. Question number 28. The dash defines the appearance and shape of letters, numbers and special characters. Option A font, option B font size, option C point, option D paragraph formatting. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A font. Question number 29. When entering text within a document, the enter key is normally pressed at the end of every dash. Option A line, option B sentence, option C paragraph, option D word. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A line. Question number 30. In MS Word, the default alignment for paragraph is option A left alignment, option B center alignment, option C right alignment, option D justified. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A left alignment. Question number 31. Which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? Option A left indent, option B right indent, option C center indent, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C center indent. Question number 32. To save an existing document with a different file name, click dash. Option A save button on the standard toolbar, option B save on the file menu, option C save as button on the standard toolbar, option D save as on the file menu. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D save as on the file menu. Question number 33. Insert date, format page, number and insert auto text are buttons on the dash toolbar. Option A formatting, option B header and footer, option C standard, option D edit. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A formatting. Question number 34. To increase the line Question number 34. To increase the line spacing, use the dash shortcut key. Option A control plus L, option B control plus E, option C control plus 1, option D control plus M. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C control plus 1. Question number 35. Word has a list of predefined typing, spelling, capitalization and grammar errors that can defect and correct. Option A auto entry, option B auto correct, option C auto add, option D auto spell. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D auto spell. Question number 36. Borders can be applied to option A cells, option B paragraph, option C text, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D all of these. Question number 37. Which of the following characteristics is used to compute dynamically the results from Excel data? Option A goto, option B table, option C chart, option D formula and function. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D formula and function. Question number 38. What is the default line margin in Word document? Option A 1.0, option B 1.15, option C 1.5, option D 2.0. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B 1.15. Question number 39. In this chart only one data series can be plotted. Option A pie chart, option B line, option C bar, option D column. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A pie chart. Question number 40. This chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. Option A pie, option B line, option C stacked bar, option C embedded. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C stacked bar. Question number 41. Which of the following is not a font style? Option A bold, option B italic, option C superscript, option D regular. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D regular. Question number 42. It is a software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate set of numbers. Option A speed sheets, option B spreadsheet, option C slide sheet, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B spreadsheet. Question number 43. It is a grid of cells made up of horizontal and vertical columns. Option A worksheet, option B sheet, option C Excel sheet, option D page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A worksheet. Question number 44. Group of worksheets is known by option A folder, option B document, option C workbook, option D books. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C workbook. Question number 45. A cell entry can be edited in the cell or dash. Option A menu bar, option B edit menu, option C function bar, option D formula bar. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D formula bar. Question number 46. Portrait and landscape are dash. Option A page orientation, option B paper size, option C page layout, option D page margin. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A page orientation. Question number 47. 3 types of data can be entered in a worksheet: number, character, text and dash. Option A formulas, option B functions, option C logic, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D all of these. Question number 48. To select the current column, press dash. Option A control plus spacebar, option B control plus B, option C shift plus enter, option D control plus enter. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A control plus spacebar. Question number 49. Scatter chart is also known as option A XX chart, option B YX chart, option C XY chart, option D YY chart. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C XY chart. Question number 50. The extension of saved file in MS Excel is option A .xis, option B .xas, option C .xlsx, option D .xll. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C .xlsx. Welcome to GS Academy. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి విచ్ కంట్రీ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది I2U2 గ్రూపింగ్ ఆఫ్ నేషన్స్. ఇది I2U2. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఇజ్రాయెల్, ఆప్షన్ బి ఇటలీ, ఆప్షన్ సి యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్, ఆప్షన్ డి యునైటెడ్ అరబ్ ఎమిరేట్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి ఇటలీ. ఇటలీ I2U2 గ్రూపింగ్లో నేషన్ కాదు. ఇజ్రాయెల్, యునైటెడ్ స్టేట్స్, యునైటెడ్ అరబ్ ఎమిరేట్స్తో పాటు ఇండియా కూడా I2U2లో పార్ట్నర్స్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. Nasocom Foundation has partnered with which company to set up Digivani call center for helping women farmers scale up their business? Option A Google, option B Microsoft, option C Meta, option D IBM. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A Google. Question number 3. Ola Electronic has unveiled India's first indigenously developed lithium ion cell. What is the name of this cell? Option A MMC 2170, option B NNC 2170, option C NMC 2171, option D NMC 2170. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D NMC 2170. Question number 4. In which state Union Cabinet has approved the setting up of the Gati Shakti University? Option A Uttar Pradesh, option B Gujarat, option C Rajasthan, option D Maharashtra. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B Gujarat. Question number 5. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved Taranga Hills Ambaji Abu Road new rail line. This railway line is between which two states? Option A Rajasthan and Haryana. Option B Maharashtra and Gujarat. Option C Gujarat and Haryana. Option D Rajasthan and Gujarat. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D Rajasthan and Gujarat. Question number 6. Unique Identification Authority of India has launched a new mobile app named Dash to perform face authentication. Option A Face Identifier. Option B Face Recognizer. Option C Aadhaar Face RD. Option D Aadhaar Face Recognizer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C Aadhaar Face RD. Question number 9. In which city space tech startup Agnikul Cosmos has opened India's first rocket engine factory? Option A Bangalore. Option B Kochi. Option C Hyderabad. Option D Chennai. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D Chennai. Question number 8. The 7th anniversary of the Skill India mission is being observed on option A 11th July, option B 12th July, option C 14th July, option D 15th July. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D 15th July. Question number 9. Who has been appointed as the next High Commissioner of Bangladesh to India? Option A Mustafizur Rahman. Option B Mustafizur Imran. Option C Abdul Basti. Option D Nabin Sarkar. దీని ఆన్సర్ను మీరే కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 10. Which of the following has partnered with Detect Technologies and IIT Madras in combat startup? Option A Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Option B Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Option C Azure Oil. Option D Vedanta. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D Vedanta. వెల్కమ్ టు జిఎస్ అకాడమీ. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం ఇండియన్ పాలిటీ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్ విచ్ ఇయర్ వాజ్ ద కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్ అడాప్టెడ్ బై ద కాన్స్టిట్యూయెంట్ అసెంబ్లీ? ఆప్షన్ ఏ 1949 నవంబర్ 26. ఆప్షన్ బి 1948 నవంబర్ 9. ఆప్షన్ సి 1946 ఫిబ్రవరి 26. ఆప్షన్ డి 1947 జనవరి 26. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ 1949 నవంబర్ 26. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. Who presided over the Constituent Assembly of India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option C Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D Rajagopalachari. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 3. As permanent president of the Constituent Assembly on 11th December 1946, who is elected? Option A Nehru. Option B Rajagopalachari. Option C Sarvepalli. Option D Babu Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D Babu Rajendra Prasad. Question number 4. How many clauses in the Constitution at the time of ratification are there parts to the schedules? Option A. There are 290 provisions, 10 schedules and 20 parts. Option B. There are 395 provisions, 12 schedules and 22 parts. Option C. There are 385 provisions, 8 schedules, 22 parts. Option D. There are 395 regulations, 8 schedules, 22 parts. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ D. 395 regulation, 8 schedules, 22 parts. Question number 5. Number of members of the drafting committee of the Constitution of India. Option A 8, option B 10, option C 11, option D 7. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D 7. Question number 6. Which case said that preamble is not an integral part of the Constitution? Option A. S.R. Bommai. Option B. Keshavananda Bharati. Option C. Menaka Gandhi. Option D. Minerva Mills. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A. S.R. Bommai. Question number 7. If a new state is to be formed in the Union of India, which schedule of the Constitution should be amended? Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A first amend. Question number 8. States formed in the year 2000. Option A Jharkhand, Uttaranchal, Chhattisgarh. Option B Tripura, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand. Option C Nagaland, Uttaranchal, Jharkhand. Option D Pondicherry, Jharkhand, Goa. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A Jharkhand, Uttaranchal, Chhattisgarh. Question number 9. Which of the following passages of the 1950 January 26 Constitution it says that all those living in India at the time of its enactment are Indians? Option A 5, option B 6, option C 7, option D 8. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A 5. Question number 10. Who has the authority to abrogate fundamental rights? Option A Supreme Court, option B President, option C Parliament, option D none of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B President. Question number 11. In which case fundamental rights are suspended? Option A when president's rule is in force. Option B when there is a financial emergency. Option C during national emergency. Option D none. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A when president's rule is in force. Question number 12. Fundamental rights are enshrined in the Constitution from which clause to which article? Option A 12 clause to 35 article. Option B 10 clause to 25 article. Option C 37 clause to 51 article. Option D 33 clause to 44 article. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A 12 clause to 35 article. Question number 13. Which provision of fundamental rights restricts a person? It states that it should be produced in the nearest court within 24 hours. Option A 20, option B 18, option C 23, option D 22. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 22, option D. Question number 14. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described which fundamental right as the life, soul and heart of the Constitution? Option A. Right to resist oppression. Option B. Right to property. Option C. Right to equality. Option D. Right to constitutional redress. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D. Right to constitutional redress. Question number 15. Courts issue this for protection of fundamental rights. Option A. Writs. Option B. Orders. Option C. Ordinance. Option D. None. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A. Writs. Question number 16. Writ to produce the detained person in court within 24 hours. Option A. Habeas corpus. Option B. Quo warranto. Option C. Certiorari. Option D. Mandamus. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A. Habeas corpus. Question number 17. Adi asks officers to perform their duties properly. Option A. Habeas corpus. Option B. Mandamus. Option C. Quo warranto. Option D. Certiorari. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B. Mandamus. Question number 18. Writ to prevent holding office without legal qualification. Option A. Mandamus. Option B. Certiorari. Option C. Quo warranto. Option D. Prohibition. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C. Quo warranto. Question number 19. Provisions not abrogated even during emergency. Option A 1920. Option B 2324. Option C 2627. Option D 2021. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D 2021. Question number 20. What kind of right is property right? Option A. Moral right. Option B. Legal right. Option C. Fundamental right. Option D. Civil right. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B. Legal right. Thank you for watching.